You might have heard whispers in the coin collecting world, stories that even a small German coin from 1989, the 10 Pfennig, could be worth far more than anyone ever imagined. Some say it's just pocket change. Others claim it could be worth hundreds, maybe even thousands if the right error is found. And yes, a few even believe it could be worth millions. Is it truth, or just rumor? Well, stay with me till the very end of this video, because we'll uncover the real value of the 1989 D10 Pfennig coin, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Let's begin with the story and design of this mysterious coin. On the front, you'll notice something simple yet powerful, a young oak seedling. A small plant, with delicate leaves reaching upward, but carrying a powerful meaning: rebirth, strength, and the growth of Germany after difficult times. Surrounding it are the words, Bundesrepublik Deutschland, Federal Republic of Germany, proudly announcing the nation it represents. Just below, the date, 1989, the year this coin was struck. Turn it over to the back, and you'll find the bold 10 in the center. On each side of the number, 2 ears of wheat stand tall, symbols of nourishment and prosperity. Just below, the word Pfennig marks its value. But right at the top, tucked neatly between the wheat ears, lies a small letter, the mint mark. And for this coin, it's the letter D, telling us it was struck in Munich, one of Germany's great mints. So it's a beautiful coin, yes. But let's face it, beauty alone doesn't make a coin valuable. What does? Scarcity, rarity, mistakes. That's what collectors chase. Now, here's where things get interesting. The 1989 D10 Pfennig was struck in the tens of millions. Ordinary examples are very common. In circulated condition, most are worth almost nothing, just a few cents, maybe 10 cents to $1 at best. Even uncirculated pieces, shining bright as the day they were made, usually bring only $2 to $5. But don't walk away just yet, because there's more to this story. In the world of coin collecting, there's a hidden world of errors. And it's here that the 1989 D10 Pfennig can transform from an ordinary piece of brass into a collector's prize. Imagine holding one that was struck off-center, with the design spilling into the blank space of the coin. Collectors will pay $50, $100, or more for that. Or what if yours was a double strike, where the design appears twice, slightly overlapping? Suddenly, that little coin could be worth hundreds. And then there are the true rarities, a wrong planchet error, where the coin was accidentally struck on the blank meant for another denomination. These are the holy grail of minting mistakes. In those cases, values can soar into the hundreds, even thousands of dollars. So, does that mean your 1989 D10 Pfennig could really be worth millions? That's the suspense every collector feels. But here's the truth. Realistically, no. No ordinary 1989 D10 Pfennig has ever sold for millions. The vast majority are just common coins. But the dream, the possibility, the chance that an extremely rare error could exist, that's what keeps collectors searching. And who knows? Maybe in someone's old drawer, hidden in a forgotten jar of coins, the rarest 10 Pfennig error is still waiting to be discovered. So, the real value. Most are worth just pocket change. In uncirculated condition, a few dollars. With the right error, hundreds or even thousands. But millions? That's a dream, and in coin collecting, dreams are half the fun. So next time you see a 1989 D10 Pfennig, don't ignore it. Hold it carefully. Inspect it closely. Because while most are ordinary, every coin carries a mystery. And maybe, just maybe, you'll be the one to uncover a hidden treasure.